In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in Elementor. We'll start inside your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand panel, hover over Appearance and click Menus. In the menu structure area, give your menu a clear, memorable name in the field provided. This helps you recognize it later when you connect it in Elementor. Under Menu Settings, you can choose to automatically add new top-level pages to this menu if you want your latest pages to appear without extra work. Next, choose where the menu should display by selecting a location such as header or footer. You can select both or leave it unassigned if you plan to place it manually with Elementor. Click Create Menu and wait for the page to refresh so the menu builder activates. Now look to the left sidebar labeled Add Menu Items. You'll see sections like Pages, Posts, Custom Links, Categories, and possibly WooCommerce endpoints if your site uses that plugin. Click each section to expand it and reveal the items you can add. Check the boxes next to the items you want, or use Select All if that's quicker, then click Add to Menu. After the page reloads, you'll see the selected items listed on the right under Menu Structure. Click the small downward arrow on any item to open its settings. Here you can change the navigation label to control the text users see, assign a parent item to nest it as a drop-down under another menu item, adjust the order, or remove it entirely. Choosing a parent instantly creates a drop-down hierarchy. When you're satisfied with the structure and labels, click Save Menu to lock in your changes. With the menu created, open any page in the Elementor editor. In the left panel, search for and select the WordPress menu widget. Then place it where you want your navigation to appear on the page. With the widget selected, look at the Content tab on the left. Find the menu drop-down and choose the menu you just created in WordPress. From here, fine-tune the presentation. The Content tab typically controls which menu is displayed and basic layout options. The Style tab lets you customize typography, colors, spacing, and hover states so the menu matches your brand. The Advanced tab provides granular control over margins, padding, motion effects, and responsive behavior. Keep your labels short and descriptive to make navigation clear and accessible. When everything looks right, click Update or Publish at the top right to make your changes live. Your custom menu is now set up and displayed through Elementor, ready for your visitors to use.